Today, we explore banking, financial services and economics. Part 1. Let's understand the fundamentals of banking, financial services, and their important role in the economy. Introduction. Welcome to LSKSM Vlogs. Today, let's explore banking, financial services and economics, covering essential concepts, institutions, financial products, and economic principles. This video provides a simple and informative overview to help you understand how the banking and financial system supports individuals, businesses, and the economy. Section 1. Banking Fundamentals. 1. Banking, Introduction. An introduction to the banking system, its basic concepts, importance, and role in the economy. It explains how banks accept deposits, provide loans, facilitate payments, and support financial activities. Two. History of banking. Explores the evolution of banking from ancient money lending practices to modern financial institutions. It highlights major developments that shape the present-day banking system. 3. Functions of banks. Explains the primary and secondary functions performed by banks. These include accepting deposits, lending money, transferring funds, providing agency services, and supporting economic development. 4. Types of banks. Introduces the major categories of banks based on their functions and areas of operation. The topic covers commercial, cooperative, development, foreign, central, regional, rural, and other specialized banks. Five. Commercial banks. Explains the role and operations of commercial banks in accepting deposits and providing credit. It also covers their importance in trade, business, investment, and economic growth. Six. Central banks. Introduces central banks and their role as the monetary authority of a country. The topic covers currency management, monetary policy, regulation of banks, and maintaining financial stability. 7. Cooperative banks. Explains the structure and objectives of cooperative banking institutions. These banks primarily serve members, farmers, small businesses, and local communities by providing accessible financial services. 8. Development banks. Describes financial institutions established to support long-term economic and industrial development. They provide finance for infrastructure, industries, agriculture, and other priority sectors. 9. Foreign banks. Explains banks that operate in a country while being incorporated or headquartered in another country. The topic covers their services, international operations, and contribution to global financial transactions. 10. Regional Rural Banks, RRBs. Introduces regional rural banks created to provide banking and credit facilities in rural and semi-urban areas. They focus particularly on agriculture, small businesses, farmers, and weaker sections. Section 2. Central Banking and Monetary Policy. 11. Payment banks. Explains the concept and services of payment banks, which focus on deposits, payments, remittances, and digital transactions. The topic highlights their role in improving financial inclusion and digital banking. 12. Microfinance banks. Introduces institutions and banking models that provide small-value financial services to low-income individuals and underserved communities. Microfinance supports entrepreneurship, self-employment, and financial inclusion. 13. Cooperative banks. Provides a deeper overview of cooperative banks and their role in community-based banking. It explains their structure, services, and importance in supporting agriculture and local economic activities. (14) Development banks explores development banking in greater detail, focusing on long-term financing for economic and industrial growth. These institutions help fund infrastructure, agriculture, industries, and development projects. 15. Export-import banks explains specialized financial institutions that support international trade. They provide financing, guarantees, and other services that help exporters and importers conduct cross-border business. (16) Regional Rural Banks (RRBs) further examines RRBs and their contribution to rural development and financial inclusion. The topic highlights their lending activities, rural banking services, and support for agricultural communities. (17) Payment banks provides an expanded overview of payment banks and their digital financial services. It focuses on deposits, money transfers, payments, and technology-enabled banking for underserved customers. 18. Microfinance banks (MFBs) explains microfinance banking and its focus on providing small loans and financial services to underserved customers. It highlights the role of microfinance in entrepreneurship, income generation, and inclusive growth. (19) Cooperative banks examines cooperative banks as member-oriented financial institutions. It covers their organizational structure, deposit and lending services, and contribution to rural and community-based economic development. (20) Non-banking financial companies (NBFCs) introduces NBFCs and explains how they provide financial services similar to banks without functioning as traditional banks. The topic covers lending, investment, leasing, and their role in India's financial system. Section 3. Bank accounts and deposits. (21) Shadow banking system explains financial activities conducted outside the traditional banking sector. It examines non-bank credit providers, their importance, benefits, and the potential risks associated with the shadow banking system. (22) Layout of banking system in India provides an overview of the structure and hierarchy of the Indian banking system. It explains the relationship between the central bank, commercial banks, cooperative banks, RRBs, and other financial institutions. (23) Functions of commercial banks explores the detailed functions performed by commercial banks for individuals, businesses, and governments. It covers deposits, loans, credit creation, payment services, agency functions, and financial assistance. (24) Types of commercial banks in India introduces the major categories of commercial banks operating in India. The topic covers public sector banks, private sector banks, foreign banks, and other important classifications. (25) Banking services, an overview provides an overview of the wide range of services offered by modern banks. These include deposits, loans, fund transfers, payment services, cards, digital banking, investment-related services, and customer support. (26) Banking products, key offerings introduces the major financial products offered by banks to individuals and businesses. It covers savings accounts, current accounts, fixed deposits, recurring deposits, loans, cards, and digital banking products. 27. Savings accounts. Explains savings accounts designed to help individuals securely deposit and manage their money while earning interest. It covers account features, withdrawals, digital transactions, and common banking facilities. 28. Current accounts. Introduces current accounts primarily used by businesses and customers with frequent financial transactions. The topic explains their features, transaction facilities, overdrafts, and suitability for business operations. 29. Fixed deposits. Explains fixed deposits as a savings and investment product where money is deposited for a predetermined period. It covers interest earnings, maturity, tenure, and the key features of fixed deposit accounts. 30. Recurring deposits. Introduces recurring deposits, which allow customers to save a fixed amount regularly for a predetermined period. The topic explains their benefits, interest earnings, maturity value, and suitability for disciplined savings. Conclusion. Thank you for watching LSKSM Vlogs and exploring banking, financial services and economics with us. We hope this video has helped you understand the fundamentals of banking, financial services, and their role in economic development. Stay connected with LSKSM Vlogs and join us for Part 2, where we will continue exploring more important concepts and topics in banking, financial services and economics. These videos are not only for the current generation. They are a humble effort to preserve knowledge, history, science, and human achievements for future generations. Thank you to everyone who supports and encourages this journey of building a digital library of learning for tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the LSKSM Vlogs channel, like, comment, and share it to help pass on knowledge to future generations. Your support and encouragement mean a lot to us. G. Sobhanadri Rao, LSKSM Vlogs.